Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you which banks only pull from Experian. So I have here the top three banks that only pull from Experian, and that is first, the American Express card. So this is most common bureau pulled, which is the Experian, and then Amex almost always checks Experian first, through sometimes checks TransUnion or even Equifax as secondary. For top two is the Chase Bank, which is the JP Morgan Chase. So this one often pulls Experian, especially for credit card applications, personal loans, and this can also use Equifax or TransUnion depending on the state that you're in. And the last card, which is the top three, is the Wells Fargo. So this frequently pulls from Experian, but can vary only. So known to use Experian for credit card and personal loan approvals. So that's it. That is my top three card that only pull from Experian. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!